Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you how to fold these tote favor boxes. Love these. These are the size of 4" by 3" by 3", made with a really nice heavy cardstock and a gorgeous shine. So let's get started. You're just going to pop open that box. It's going to have pre-folds, of course, and you're going to fold the bottom of the box first. So go ahead, fold them all out. Now you're going to start with that big piece on the top or the bottom, however you're doing it, the two sides, and then that rounded piece is just going to tuck inside and under that top one. So starting with the handles, as you flip it over, you're going to have that kind of filler part of the handle and you're going to fold it in. The two outsides, just fold them out for now. Now here's a little trick. You're going to take those two parts that you folded in and tuck them inside the box, both sides. And then you're going to take one side of the box, fold it over those two handles, make sure the handles are nice and flush, that way it'll pop over a little bit easier, and then the other one as well. Make sure that they're nice, like I said, nice and flush there, because then it might rip a little bit if you don't have them nicely aligned. So here's another way to do it, simply the same thing, however there is one little differentiation here. So go ahead and just pre-fold everything so you're working with really nice straight lines there. And go ahead, that large piece, the two smaller sides, and then tuck in that little bill on the bottom of the first side. So go ahead with those handles. Once again, those little filler part of the handles, this is going to be the difference here. You're going to make sure that one part of the handle is going to be on top and one is going to go inside the box. As you can see there, one's on top, one's inside, and then the same kind of flow here at the very end. Make sure that those two sides of the handles are flush, and then go ahead and make sure that the tops nicely fold over it. So there you go. Like I said, these are a nice medium size. So if you're looking for something that, you know, kids are gonna bring around, maybe an anniversary or a wedding, and you know, there's gonna be a lot of movement, these stay into place, don't pop open or don't have issues whatsoever, and are nice and durable. Love these. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you share it with your friends and subscribe for all of your creative decor. Also, make sure you like the video. Until next time, stay creative.